Hello guys, so right now I'm in my room and I recently not checked in also. I've been staying in here in Dubai for almost 3 nights right now, but since I haven't shown you the room, how does it look like and where I'm staying, so right now I'm giving you a small room tour. So just enjoy the room and see whenever you come to Dubai, if you want to stay at this hotel. I am currently on 62nd floor, yeah, 62. From there the balcony view is amazing and I'm sure you're gonna like it because the view, whatever you see down, is just marvelous, and when the lights on in the night, it's beautiful, it's amazing. So let's just do the room tour. I'll show you a couple. I've shot a small b-roll for you guys for you to see, but before that I'll just quickly show you like how it looks like in proper way. So let's just see the video and then you comment and you let me know if you like the hotel. So should you come here or not? It's up to you. Alright, so this was a small b-roll of the room, and I'll just show you a couple of things in the room which are pretty interesting out here. So as you enter, this is the main main door that you entered from, and this is amazing. The glass is right over here, as you can see in the reflection, which I don't want to show you. So when you enter, this is the bed which comes right across. The room is quite spacious, it's pretty big. You have all the amenities in the room itself. You have coffee maker, coffee machine, everything around over there. As you can see, I just made some coffee for myself, and you have all the pods and everything. This is again a small bar that you get over here, and let me just show you one good thing. So it lights up. This is pretty amazing, huh? Isn't it? So yeah, you have the kettle, you have an ice bucket and a cup and a Boston shaker. I don't know what a Boston shaker is doing, who's going to be a bartender. Probably you can bartend around. So yes, and even the bathroom area is pretty interesting. If you can see, this is how you have a bathtub here and everything all across. That's all I'm gonna show. So now let's move to the balcony and I'll show you. There's a small couch as well over here. So you wanna work, you wanna chill at the couch a bit. Pretty interesting. You can do that. That's my table. Sorry, that's a little messed up because I kind of emptied my everything. So now let's move out. I'll show you the balcony, which is the interesting part, which I really like sitting in the night time. And if I open the door, hold on, it's quite hard. Okay, so here's the balcony, and you have a sofa here. I don't know if you can see anything over here. So yeah, little bit of light over here. So if you can see, that's the balcony and that's the view outside the balcony. Pretty interesting, right? I mean, I love it. And this is one of the residences that is nearby, which you can see probably. Sorry, I have to be there's a residence around, so I have to be quiet. Yeah, so this is quite interesting out here if I'm talking about it, but let's just go inside. I don't want to be disturbing others because you never know who would mind getting them filmed. But yeah, so this was a small tour of my room. I hope you like it, and so let's just have dinner tonight. Net nahi chal raha bro.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win at life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel. I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real. But how's it supposed to feel?